Tips for better bookkeeping as a beginner. Bookkeeping can be hard. I get it. It's all numbers upon numbers, but to be honest, it doesn't have to be. If you follow these simple but important financial steps, you are off to a good start. 1. Don't wait until the last minute. Whenever I make a transaction, I write it down in my notepad on my phone or send it to myself on WhatsApp. The main idea is to record it as soon as possible before I forget. Then when you get home, transfer it to the actual bookkeeping record of your choice. This way, you'll make fewer mistakes and have more time to look for important information if you do it earlier. 2. Keep your records neat. It will be a pain to do the books if the records are jumbled and full of random pieces of paper. There will be important information all over the place and yet they will be useless to you. Don't be that person. Arrange your records in a way that makes it easy to find what you need quickly. As said earlier, one thing I do is also add a description of what the money was used for. That helps a lot to avoid confusion. 3. Keep your personal and business money separate. This shouldn't be here, but you never know. There could be someone watching this video right now that uses one account for both business and personal things. If you want to do your books much faster, you might want to keep your work and personal finances separate. That way, you won't have to look through personal information to find business-related money matters and the other way around.